Today I will share with you an amazing skin whitening pack. We will make this pack from boiled rice. Come on, people know that rice is an excellent ingredient for whitening the skin. This pack will make your skin color more beautiful. Use many ingredients in this pack that will make your skin glow and remove excess oil. Let's start making it. We need 1 or 2 cups of rice. Wash it. Now add double water for boiling. Turn on the fire and bring it to a boil. Now collect the rice water in a small bowl. Remove excess water when boiling. Now add 1.5 tablespoons whole wheat flour. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt to 3 tablespoons rice water and mix all ingredients. Now your skin whitening pack is ready. Wash your face with cleanser before applying this pack. Apply this pack on your face and massage well. Rice water, wheat flour, and yogurt are all ingredients that are used to whiten and enhance the skin and act as antioxidants. Wait 20 minutes after application and wash off with plain water. You can use this pack daily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.